If my math is correct, we did an update on day 3 and 4. And then day 5, being Sunday, we did not do an update. Being the Lord's Day, I don't work on that day. Really nice emblem on this Santa Teresa advertiser. Weak flame, but it did light. That is the one that does not have a fuel gasket. And the slider here that has a fuel gasket. Not only did it light, but it appeared to have a much stronger flame. So that is a sure sign you're out of fuel there. And you got wick turning to ember. So I just got busy yesterday. Was otherwise engaged and unable to make a video. So we did see, though, it lit up once today, so it did have just that residual amount of fuel, those residual vapors. But this Ishii Gardens advertiser with the rubber fuel gasket, rubber fuel seal, still lighting up.